Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Pour 1 cup white vinegar into the kettle to begin dissolving surface rust. Let it sit while you scrub loose flakes with a dry brush. This prevents scratching. Once the vinegar has soaked for 30-60 minutes, you'll gently agitate rusted patches with steel wool or a brass brush. Use short, controlled strokes so you remove rust without gouging the metal. Make sure to wear gloves and work over a towel to catch debris. Once visible rust is loosened, you'll tackle deeper pitting with more focused scrubbing. Rinse out the vinegar, then sprinkle baking soda inside to neutralize remaining acid. The fizz confirms it's working. Scrub again with firm, circular strokes where rust persists, adding small amounts of water to form a paste. If rust remains in pits, repeat the vinegar soak for another 30 minutes and follow with baking soda neutralization. You finish by rinsing the kettle well, then drying immediately with towels and letting it air dry to prevent flash rust. Once dry, apply a thin layer of high smoke point cooking oil inside. Heat the kettle on low until the oil flows and then increase briefly until it smokes. Then cool. This seals the metal. If rust returns or deep pits persist, repeat the cleaning cycle or use a fine file on sharp pits. If the kettle is structurally weakened, consider replacement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.